So we're at the main screen now. Let's see how it's like to make a real project. So we can name it whatever we want. Let's just see. How about we name it test project? So you can actually go between the Earth, Moon, and Mars, which is kind of cool. You can change the dimensions, and you can change it between frames in a time code. You can also adjust the frames per second. I'll keep it all at the default except for the name, so we can start. So this is how it looks like. There's just the globe, and there's the editor at the bottom. So what you can do, so for this test project, how about you just see like a view of the Earth spinning? How about we do that? So if we want to get a view of the Earth spinning, we're going to have to zoom out a bit. So let's say that's how far we're going to zoom out. We're also going to add an attribute. So we're going to add clouds. So we're going to add the time of the day. We can add the ocean topography, and we can add 3D buildings, and done. So there we go. So first, we're going to do the time. So let's say if we wanted it at noon GMT. So what if we had it just spinning in the way it does? So if we lock it here, then let's say we want it to spin all the way around and reach back to this point. So we'll have to go to the halfway mark of 45, which we can try, but it won't be exact. So let's go around. Let me get like a 225. Yeah, 225 would work. So this would be the halfway mark. So since this is the halfway mark, we will go halfway around the world to the opposite side. So we'll keep this here as a keyframe. And at the end at 450, we'll come back to where we were at the beginning and keyframe it. There, this is a very simple way of doing it, but let's see how it turns out. It's very simple. You can just apply math and Google Earth Studio to make your first animation. Well, that's the end of this basic tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to Trudy Creations.